If you're looking for an effective arm strengthening workout without any additional equipment, you're going to love this Pilates mat workout in under 10 minutes, focusing all on arm strength. That means we're going to do some push-ups, some single arm work as well, and you're going to leave the mat feeling more connected and stronger in your upper body. Hi, my name is Beth, and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. If you're ready to begin this short but powerful sequence for the arms, join me on the mat. Let's go ahead and begin on hands and knees, setting us up for success to begin with. Spread wide with your fingers, roll the elbows towards the fingers, and triceps. Bend the elbows, they reach down to the floor and straight. Bend and straight. So we're getting started right away with some work for the back of the arms. The elbows don't rest onto the floor. Instead, they just maybe skim and come right back up. One last time. Keep the arms straight. Sweep one arm behind you, make a fist. Press up, lower down. Press, lower. So this exercise is what you make it to be. Strong arm. 2 more times. Replace, switch sides, lift, lift. Strong back of the arm to press up. Breathing out and in. 2, 1. Very nice. Now take your hands wide on the mat. Straighten legs back, tuck the toes. Knees can come down right away. Bend the elbows, push up. Bend the elbows, push up. Just one more. Push up. Very nice. Knees down. Keep one arm where it is. Opposite arm fist open, lower. Open, lower. Breathing out and in. 2, 1. Switch sides. Opposite arm. Fists open, lower. Breath out and in. This wider arm position, sometimes you feel more work in your center when you lift the one arm up. Very nice. Now have a seat on the mat. You can sit legs together if that's comfortable for you. Open opposite arm, tap down, and bend the elbow, press up. Bend, press up. Keep shoulders wide here as you bend, press up. Yes, back to single arm work. Feeling a lot of work to bend and push up. One last time. Very nice. Switch sides right away. So when you're ready, bend, push. Breathing in and out. If you're closer in towards you with your bottom hand, it'll be a little bit more challenging. Further away, just a little bit easier, though still challenging. 2 more times. 2 and 1. Nice work. Turn feet to the short edge of your mat now. Reach your arms forward, slice your hands down behind you, roll your shoulders back, bend the knees. Hips come up, and elbow bend, push. Arm bend, push. I don't care how low the pelvis gets to the floor. Bend the elbows deeply. Breathing in and out. You may even feel a little stretch across front of the shoulders and chest. That's okay. 2 more times. Very nice. Reach your arms forward. Strong arms. Reverse. Roll yourself down onto the floor. Press back of the arms into the mat. I want you to feel a firm press with the back of the arms into the mat. Curl yourself up. Keep pressing with the back of the arms. Lift your arms up part way. Pump your arms. Breathing in. Breathing out. Now I'm choosing to keep my legs straight against the floor. If you don't like that, bend your knees. What I want you to focus on is a strong arm pump more than anything else. So you can even do this head down on the mat. That's just fine. Another deep breath here. Pause. Roll yourself up. Bend the knees. Come back to where we began on hands and knees. Just a few more exercises here. Bend the elbows. Push. Repeating that very first exercise. Breathing in, breathing out. 2 more times. 2, 1. I suggest taking those hands wider. Straight legs or knees down. Bend the elbows. Push up. Bend, push up. One last time. Push up. Knees down. Reach your arms long and wide. Take a breath in and out. Amazing work. You feeling work in the arms? I hope so. I sure am. Breath in and out. If you enjoyed that challenging Pilates class and want to get even more benefits from the Pilates method, the best thing that you can do is follow a plan. And if you enjoyed that class, you're going to love the 14-day Pilates challenge, featuring 14 workouts at a variety of different levels. So this challenge is different than other Trifecta Pilates series because we're not just focusing on beginner or level 1 workouts, we're mixing it up with different level classes, different pace, different focus from strength, flexibility, and mobility. We'll move on the Pilates mat without equipment, and we'll also incorporate small pieces of equipment as well. The thing is, even if you don't have all of the pieces of equipment, I'm going to give you helpful workarounds so you can still move with every single workout. All that you need to do to get started is sign up using the link below in the first comment. When you do that, I'll send you extra tips, a workout calendar, and the workouts straight to your inbox. If you love at-home Pilates workouts and they're really ready to be more consistent, get even more benefits out of the Pilates method, make sure that you sign up for the 14-day Pilates series. We're going to make sure that this plan works for you with extra tips to get you started. Because at the end of the day, a little bit of personalization goes a long way. Sign up using the link below in the first comment. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I cannot wait for you to join me for the 14-day Pilates challenge.